poetically named GRB 090423, it was once a Wolf-Rayet star. Shrouded by rapidly swirling clouds of gas, it burned 10,000 times more brightly than our sun. But because it burned so brightly, it was extremely short-lived. As it died, the giant star collapsed in on itself. That caused massive jets of light and stellar material to be ejected from its poles in an explosion that shone with the light of 10 million billion suns. And it's the afterglow of this catastrophic explosion that is just visible from our planet as a faint red dot.